Okay, so what was your initial reason for coming in to see Dr. Cheema?
I initially was referred in to Dr. Cheema from another neurologist. I've been seeing a couple of different doctors over probably the last 2 or 3 years, and pretty much no one could help me. They didn't understand what was going on. I had some nerve pain that they couldn't identify where the source was coming from or why it was happening. And as soon as I saw Dr. Cheema, he's so different from most doctors. He just sits down with you and just talks to you and makes you feel comfortable and gets to the root of the problem. And it was probably almost immediately he had a great idea of what was going on. And then I elected to do the holistic therapy and actually had extremely great results. At the first visit, I felt 50% better and have been continuing to come for more treatments, and they still come today.
Okay. So what procedures did he do on you?
But what we did, since I'm more of a holistic type person, we did the acupressure treatment, which consists of, just making you relaxed, and he has the acupressure that he does the points on your ear, which correspond to different points in your body, and creates balance and disperses any energy that may be blocked, and just helps you to relax and to feel better. And he did tell me at the beginning of the treatment that as soon as I stood up, I would feel 50% better. And at first it was a little hard to believe because I've been going for 3-4 years with no pain relief whatsoever. But when I stood up, I did have that relief, and it just brought on so many emotions. I just cried because I felt so much better after one treatment. It was amazing.
Okay, so can you kind of explain how Dr. Cheema is different from other anesthesiologists or pain doctors?
He's just so different. I mean, the first thing that I noticed right off the bat from going to so many doctors and just being seen as a number, and they're constantly looking at their flip chart and they're not even making eye contact with you. That did not happen here. I walked in, I sat down, I had this overall feeling of comfortability with him. He did not have a chart in his hand. His hands in his lap, and he was looking directly at me, asking me questions, and actually telling me things about me that I don't even know how he knew these things, but I mean, he just has such a gift, and that makes him remarkably different. I've probably sent at least 40 to 50 patients here myself.
So, your overall, how long have you been a patient here for?
About 3 years now.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So how has your overall experience been here?
Over the top. I mean, fantastic. I've even, had the traditional medicine side too, because I had injured my back with working out with a personal trainer, and so I have experienced the traditional side of medicine as well as the acupressure. We did some cortisone injections in my back, and once again, going from somewhere where you've had no pain relief for 15, 20 years and you thinking that's just your life, to relief in a couple of days and not any more pain is amazing. So yeah, I've never experienced treatment from any physician other than here that has been this satisfactory.
So, and you said you have recommended it to people?
Oh, absolutely. I highly recommend. My family comes here. My friends come here. Matter of fact, my employer, half my people at my employer's office have been here, and they all love Dr. Cheema. I mean, it's the girls fight over him. It's kind of funny, but no, seriously, I couldn't be happier.
Okay.